Okay, this is not quite the Whisper Quiet, but the next one down from the Whisper Quiet as far as the air conditioner goes. And we're in another North Point that we're looking at. It's not that much louder, but it is a little bit louder. And it also has a different bathroom. And I took a still shot of the kitchen where a couple of things are different in the kitchen as well. But everything else is the same layout as the other North Point we looked at. Those go all the way back. You can't really see. There you go. Kind of see. Anyways, those go all the way back, the length of that. That is a narrow, but it would work for toilet paper. It does have the fan in here too. Those are good. Those are there. So, yeah. And it's got the double sink, where the other one does not. Has pretty decent sized drawers in here. So you could actually put clothes in here if you had to. But that's about the only difference.